Hey everyone, this is Kelsey at Owl HQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save virtually anything on the internet as a PDF, although I tend to use this most often with online articles and emails. This is a really useful skill if, for example, you're running out of space in your Zimbra mailbox but you need to permanently save some emails, or if you would like to permanently save an article from the internet. It's also very helpful if you're trying to go paperless. I'll first demonstrate how to turn any website into a PDF by using this article from School Library Journal. I'm using Mozilla Firefox right now, but the process is more or less the same on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Lastly, I'll demonstrate how to turn an email into a PDF, which is a similar process with just a couple of variations. It may seem counterintuitive because I did just say that you can use this trick to go paperless, but in order to turn this article into a PDF, we want the browser to think we're printing the website. But don't worry, we're not actually going to print anything. There's two ways to turn a website into a PDF. The first is to locate the designated print button on the website. Not all websites are going to have one, but if there is, it will probably appear somewhere at the top of the article and it will look like a printer. Click on this button and a familiar box should appear. If you don't see a designated print button, just open the browser menu, which should be at the top right of the screen, and click Print. The article may look a little messy, which is why I recommend using the designated print button whenever there's one available. Once this printing box is on the screen, what you want to do is go to where you normally would select the printer. Click on the drop-down menu and select either Save to PDF or Save as PDF, depending on the browser that you're using. PDFs automatically save in color, so you don't need to worry about choosing black and white or color. You might want to take a look at the pages that are going to be saved. Sometimes at the bottom or the end of the document, there will be extra pages that don't have any valuable content on them, and they just are visual clutter. If that is the case with your article, just go up here to Pages where it says All, click on the drop-down menu, and select Custom, and this is where you can type in the pages that you actually want to save with your PDF. One other thing you might want to look at is turning headers and footers on or off. Headers and footers are turned off right now for this document, but watch what happens when I turn them on. We now have the date and time that you're saving the PDF, the number of pages, and at the top we have the URL or the link to the article. For some reason, School Library Journal articles have a cutoff URL that appears twice, but if we had the full URL, we would be able to type that into our web browsers and access the article at a later date if we wanted to. Last but not least, click Save. And this should bring up a familiar box where you can choose where to save the article on your computer. And you can also give the article a unique name if you want to. Once you click Save on that box, the print box will disappear and you can locate the PDF wherever you saved it. If you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, the process is the same, but the headers and footers option is located under More Settings. This is Google Chrome. And this is Microsoft Edge. To turn a Zimbra email into a PDF, you first want to make sure that the email is finished, meaning you don't anticipate receiving or sending any more messages regarding this particular email. That way you don't have multiple PDFs for the same email, which can get hard to organize. It's also helpful if you organize your emails by conversation, meaning emails with the same subject are grouped together. If you'd like to enable conversation view, click on View in the top right corner of Zimbra, and make sure there's a dot next to By Conversation. If you try to print using Control-P on your keyboard or using your web browser's menu, you'll get a PDF that looks like this. It shows half of your Zimbra mailbox and then only a little bit of the email that we're trying to save as a PDF. It's not very helpful. What we need to do instead is click on the email that you want to print, and then move your mouse onto the topmost conversation. Click More Actions, and then click Print. You should now get the print box showing the last email in the conversation and everything else in the conversation that has been sent to date. Now just follow the same steps to save it as a PDF. Choose where to save it, and then give it a name that is more descriptive than just Zimbra. Then click Save. Now you'll always have a copy of this email saved on your computer, which should be backed up daily with iDrive, and you can safely delete the original email from your Zimbra mailbox if you so choose. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful, and thank you for watching.